Another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I made these tater tot corn dogs with cheese in it. Just sit back and relax and I'll show you. I need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar, teaspoons of baking powder, 1 egg, 1 cup and 1/4 of a cup of buttermilk, spoon of vegetable oil or any kind of oil. That we're going to start out real slow. This combine it together. Then a little faster. I'll cut these up into little pieces and I'll show you why in a minute. But we're going to put a little bit of flour on them, get the wetness off them. That's what we're going for right there. You want your hot dog, cheese in the middle, then hot dog. What we're going to do is a taste test now. I got this and I made this one special. This is very special. I expect it's hot too. Oh, see, come around that. That is just beautiful. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you subscribe, hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you get all my notifications. And y'all have a wonderful day.